Well, here we are again, another day in Nomad World. And we are at the National Badlands in South Dakota. Right now we're in some other place. Just a minute and I'll show you. What we have here out there is that's steer pasture dispersed camping. You can see a few vehicles over there. And we are in the Buffalo Gap pasture lands. Really beautiful out here. And then where we are at, what that is over there is the steer pasture lands. That's dispersed camping. There's two actually names. It's a loop road. And then over here, we are in the Nomad Loop. And out there is National Badlands. And if you look way over there, you'll see a group of trees. And that happens to be the shacks for getting in the National Forest, or the National Park, Badlands National Park. And what we have in the Badlands National Park is a lot of dirt. But we have some beautiful pictures. There's not very many level sites out here, as you can test by that guy's rig. We have some beautiful views. Let me see if I can bring that in a little bit better. There we go. And it's all just very nice. We have a lot of still pictures of some critters and stuff. Out there where the shack is, or the entrance to the national park, you'll run across some what we call the fluffy cows. So just sit back and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.